Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible adventure featuring 6 vibrant and playful dolphins as they embark on an underwater hide-and-seek escapade in the vast, beautiful ocean. So, let's dive right into their captivating journey. Our adventure begins in the breathtaking underwater paradise, where 6 unique and colorful dolphins reside. Meet our playful dolphins, Luna, Splash, Star, Coral, Bubbles, and Blaze. On this sunny day, our playful dolphins decide to take their favorite game to the next level, hide and seek.
I'll be the seeker this time. You all have to hide, and I'll find you.
And so the game begins. Luna closes her eyes, counts to 10, and then starts seeking her friends.
She was so close, but she didn't see me!
Luna spots Bubbles and starts chasing after her.
You'll have to swim faster, Luna.
In the middle of their chase, Luna stumbles upon something unexpected.
What's this? A hidden cave? I wonder if my friends are in there.
Luna swims into the cave and is greeted by a joyful surprise.
Surprise! We wanted to celebrate your searching skills, Luna.
The dolphins celebrate their friendship and the fun game of hide and seek with an underwater party.
This is the best hide-and-seek game ever.
Come on, everybody, dance with us. And that, my friends, concludes our captivating adventure with these 6 colorful dolphins who turned a simple game of hide and seek into an unforgettable underwater celebration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing underwater stories. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring and celebrating the beauty of our oceans. Bye!